7th class in English grammar, page number 17 and lecture number 6. Our topic is the tense. The word tense means stressed. Stressed means spread out. This word is used in respect of verb to indicate the limit to which a verb can be stressed to describe the action. It states in view the following aspects. It means ये word verb के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, action के लिए, कि वो किस एक्शन स्टेट को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, मतलब वर्ब जो है वो बेस फॉर्म में है, परफेक्ट फॉर्म में है या कॉन्टिन्यूस फॉर्म में है. इन दिस वे देयर आर थ्री एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द टेंस. थ्री एस्पेक्ट्स. फर्स्ट वन, एट व्हाट टाइम वाज द एक्शन डन. किस टाइम में एक्शन जो है हुआ है, मतलब किस ज़माने में जो काम हुआ है, प्रेजेंट में, पास्ट में या फ्यूचर में. हाउ लॉन्ग डिड द एक्शन कंटिन्यू. कितनी देर तक जो काम है वो जारी रहा है, या फिर उसकी मुद्दत कितनी है, मतलब काम जारी है अभी भी, और कब से लेकर कब तक जारी है. वेदर द एक्शन वाज कंप्लीटेड और नॉट. थर्ड वन, कि एक्शन जो है वो कंप्लीट हो चुका है या फिर अभी भी जारी है. इट शोज द थ्री मेजर एस्पेक्ट्स. फर्स्ट वन टाइम, then continuous and then completeness. So we can define tense as under. The tense of a verb is its form that indicates the time, the continuance and the extent of completeness of the action stated by the verb. So in this way we can divide the tense into three parts. In term of the time of various actions stated by the verb, there are three general divisions of the time as under. The division of time going on now, it means the present time, वो काम जो अभी मौजूदा ज़माने में हो रहा है, that is present time. And then the division of time that has gone by, वो काम और वो ज़माना जो गुजर चुका है, that is past time. And the division of the time that is yet to come, और वो ज़माना जो अभी आने वाला है, that is called future time. Accordingly there are three tenses: the present tense, the past tense and the future tense. The three sentences given below explain these three tenses. I'm going to the market for shopping. This sentence shows the present time and continue work as well. I went to the market for shopping. This sentence shows the past time. It means the action has happened. माना जो है वो गुजर चुका है, काम हो चुका है. I shall go to the market for shopping, and this show the coming time, the time that is yet to come, the future time. So in this way we have learned that how many tenses. First one present, then past and future tense. Okay, 7th class, our next topic is four forms of a sentence. Sentences की four forms हो सकती है. We can mold one sentence into four parts. In the previous chapter we have read about the kinds of the sentences, according to the structure, and kinds of the sentences according to the sense we have discussed in detail. Assertive sentences have two forms. Assertive sentences की दो forms होती हैं. First one, positive and negative. It means an assertive sentence can negate or affirm any action, fact or happening. वो किसी वाक़या, किसी सच्चाई या किसी भी एक्शन को का इकरार भी कर सकता है या उसका इनकार भी कर सकता है. This is a assertive sentence or affirmative sentence, you can also say it. And then second one, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are in the form of the questions. They ask question about something to inquire anything. They are in the two forms. First one, in the questioning words you have like why, when, where, and the second one that start with the helping verb. And third one, sentences can have a form that is combination of its negative and interrogative form. This form is called the negative interrogative form. Okay, the combination of the negative and interrogative form is called negative and interrogative form. It means in a sentence we can ask any question and negate it as well. हम कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ भी सकते हैं या उसका इनकार भी कर सकते हैं. So this form is called negative interrogative form. And in this way there are four forms of a sentence. First one, positive or affirmative. Next one, negative form. Then interrogative form. And last one, negative interrogative form. In the next lecture we will discuss about the informative tenses.